On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang, gang. Happy Friday, baby. Let's go. Major roll over. Bitcoin, what you doing, man? You were like all happy yesterday. We were making tons of money. Now you bloop. Anybody got some blue pills for Bitcoin? It's Friday, baby. It's going out on the town. We're going into some crazy Friday price action. What's going on, gang? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Let's jump into the chat and say good morning. Happy Friday. Huge gains this week. Let's go. I mean, we've been printing. The Otter Gang and the printing machine, man. It's been an honor and a privilege to print with you guys, man. I tell you that much. It is, it is what it is. We up $7,300 this week. It is Friday. I tell myself I would like a 3K day, but that's selfish. Isn't that selfish? I'm like, I want 10. Maybe we get 20. Who knows, man? You never know what God has in store for you. But what's going on, gang? Good to see you. Thank you for being here and hanging out. Incredible week so far. Pump, dump, whatever. We making money. We gave 3 amazing trades yesterday. 4 if you want to call the one from the night before. Oof. Odyssey, good morning. Good to see you. Is that a piece of toast or something? What is that? A waffle? Good morning. Good to see y'all. How we all doing? Ashunts, Ben, Kelly, good morning. What's going on? Keen Bean, George, Andre. It's my birthday, and the only present I want are winning trades for the entire day. That's an ask, man. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You look like a monkey, and you act like one too. Salute. Have a wonderful birthday, man. I wouldn't be trading. I'd just be chilling. Don't ruin your birthday with some bad trades or trying to trade. MRP, good to see you. Curbstar, my man. Crypto Hung, I missed you yesterday. Billy's in the chat. Crypto Billy's in the chat. My God, Billy. How you doing, Billy? I miss you, bro. I'm kind of upset I never got to see you at Vegas, but that's all right. I'll see you. Hopefully, I'll see you in Tennessee. Tennessee. I feel like you got to break your. Are we going to Nashville, Tennessee? What's going on, Billy? Hopefully, I see you there. Ben, good to see you, and hopefully, you're doing much better. Murray, Mike, my man. Up early is your first win of the day. Let's go. That's it. It is. You get up early. I get up. I just roll over. I pray, and then I slay. We should get a shirt made. I roll over and pray, and then I slay. That's it. Morning up early. Let's go, Crypto Jim, Nero, Vinny. What's going on, Jim? Who comes in early and doesn't hit the like? I don't know, man. They can do as they please, you know. I ain't their dads, as we say here, you know. This is never financial advice. We hope you all succeed. We don't have today we have no news, really. No news except for, you know, Trump doing his thing over in China. Bitcoin breaking down this morning right when we start the stream. My God. VWAP holding us down. Bitcoin coming into our retracement level. Looking for potential SFP here. I guess this box is a bit too big here. Let's shrink it down. Shrinkage, man. It's got shrinkage. All right, we are in an impulsive golden pocket area here, given an advance in the Discord. Currently rolling over here, looking for a sweep and go, potentially. We'll see what we get here. Not liking this too much, though. Pretty aggressive retracement. Obviously, imbalance. Fair value gaps being filled right now. Looking for a retest of previous highs, potentially. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see, obviously. Breaking down now. Breaking down. So, a little bit of patience. You guys got the patience or no? You guys just want trades now. Give me trades now, up or down. How did you guys do this week? Are you up this week? Are you down this week? You know, this is an honest poll here. We are up this week. 48% of you guys are absolutely slaying dragons. Let's fucking go, man. Love it. I love it, man. I love seeing you guys win. Great work. This will go down to like 40 minimum. As long as people are being honest with themselves. I mean, we have a lot of people who need to make themselves feel better about themselves. You're not going to get anywhere if you don't just, you know, give yourself an honest appraisal. That's key. That is key. What's going on? Shri and Pandy, Vinny, Laurent, good morning. Alexandra G, the lady of Otter Gangville. Good to see you. Christian Rogers, good to see you. Good morning. Andre, good to see you as well. Hopefully you're having a beautiful day. Decent Crypto, my man. How you doing, man? Loco, Proof of Work. Norm, how you guys doing? What are you doing? You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way, Bitcoin. You're going the wrong way. Are you seriously going to slap and go? You didn't even take liquidity out of the lows? You nambe pambe. Okay. Soy by Lana trying to hold the support here. So Lana took the lows. Guys, you see the NASDAQ? NASDAQ rolling over a little bit. I ain't scared. Okay, it's just the NASDAQ rolling over. But I'm cautious here. I would like to see structure. I don't know about you guys, but I don't see any structure yet. I just see down. But could we get going here? It gets not on this candle, I'll tell you that. I ain't messing around with this candle. This is a big donkey. Beep. You know, South Park candle. We don't touch these. What's going on? Proof of Work. Good to see you. Jojo Mojo Jojo. What's going on, Health? Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well, man. I mean, we spoon-fed yesterday. We gave you guys 2 incredible trades on that long. And then we took the long. I mean, I gave you guys, what did I do? Yesterday, I gave you the long from here. And I gave you the long from here on the live stream. You cannot deny it. Then in the Discord, we took the long on Solana in here. My God. You guys can't deny it. You guys can say, yes, Alex, you did. Thank you. That's all you have to say. That's it. Nah, I don't need you guys to thank me. I just need you guys to hang out here, say what's up. That's it. Aloysius, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Cat Bread, how you doing? Pink hands in the chat. I don't know what these pink hands. Baby Genius winning the giveaway yesterday, man. Congratulations. 500 USDT has been transferred to you, man. You won. You won. Captain Jack Sparrow, good morning, and gang. $2,000 giveaway today at the end of the stream. It's Friday, baby. Big money today. $1,500 and $500 giveaways. Huge gains this week for Nero. Let's go, man. Holenberg. Do you pronounce a J in this word, Jolenberg, or do you go Olenberg? I can call you either, man. Jolenberg, Blue Chew. Are you ready for a bloody Friday? It's always a bloody Friday, mate. It's always a bloody Friday. How you doing, Moonshine? Good to see you, man. Just joined the premium gang. Welcome, Harpist. Welcome to the family. I mean, you got a lot of work. People join in. They're like, okay, where's the spoons? There's lots of spoons. But you got 150 videos here on the left-hand side. You got the must videos. Go to the top of each one of these and watch it all the way through. All the videos. You got hours to do, bro. A lot of work. We do live trading. Obviously, we had a live trading session yesterday. We go live scalping today as well. You got the family. You got 8 different traders in here. Kyle with the... I mean, he gave you guys the long and the short and the long and the short. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at Arrow. Oh, my God. Doge. Oh, man. The longs, it's just nonstop. I can't even keep up with it, and it's my job to keep up with it. And everybody coming in and saying good morning, man. It's the best gang in all crypto. I mean, 8 traders, setups, charts, updates, constant barrage of updates, price action, swing trades, scalp trades, setups. Welcome to the family, man. The best Discord in all of crypto. It just is, man. It just is. $88 a month. What is that? 88 divided by 31. How? Yeah. Stop drinking coffee every day. Nah, I'm kidding. Don't stop drinking coffee. Just make $3 a day, right? $3 a day. You'll be all right. The value is, I mean, I think the value that we provide in the videos and the teaching and the lessons and the catering to everybody is invaluable, because if you develop the skills, you can quit your damn job, give your boss the finger, click a couple buttons every day, and retire. That's the whole point, right? Nobody wants to be on this screen all day long. We just want to click a couple buttons and disappear. That's always been my plan. I just ended up with a friggin' community. I don't know what happened. Some days I just want to trade. I'll put it that way. Some days I just want to disappear and trade. I'm not going to lie. That's just honest. Like, it's, it's 4:30 in the morning. I get up, get ready, have my coffee, prepare the charts. Sometimes I just want to sit here by my damn self. But I come and hang out with you guys, and that's cool too, because trading is lonely. And it's nice to have a community to hang out with, man. The community is definitely an edge too, because like you can bounce ideas off of each other, and you can make fun of each other, and you can see like people come in and give you their opinions, and you can make a. It's always good to have conflicting opinions, because then you can kind of find a median, right? Curtis Hill, what's going on, man? Mazes, good morning. Are you gonna win again, Mazes? Mazix, we'll see. Have, what's going on, man? WB, Curtis Hill, Sam, good morning, gang. Let's go, baby. Lorelai's in the chat. How you doing? Good to see you. Chris, how you doing? Black Aaron. Good morning, Ben Kelly. You may remember I was long on Solana. Well, I got stopped out, but I made 120 back yesterday. That's okay, man. Good job. Live and learn, right? Smash that. And some banger trades this week. Yeah, that's for damn sure. We've crushed it on the live stream. We've been absolutely, the spoon feeding has been unreal. I had a little bit of poor execution at the beginning of the day, but I whooped ass in the afternoon. I mean, I gave the long here, didn't take it. I gave the long here, I didn't take it. I took the long here. I took another long here. I took a short in here. Like I was much more sharp in the afternoon. I feel really good today. But yeah, I was not like I was seeing it really well yesterday. Like I literally gave the long on this candle right here to you guys, and I literally told you to take VWAP, and I choked on both. Okay, and that's reality. The confidence and the execution was off for me yesterday. However, we went back into the Discord live, and then we literally took this guy right here. 0 drawdown. Incredible long trade here while the Cynthia Loomis SEC was talking. So we literally popped that baby off. I took a couple longs off. I think it was not this one, but I think this one I took up here. And I mean, we're doing well. We're the accounts. Where's the account? 32, 300. So we did about 2,100 yesterday or something. Yeah, we're up $7,300 for the week so far. Showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. It's a good day. It's a good day to see if we can continue to do it. We got descending triangle here, weakness. Okay, so top of the neckline, right? And you can see that buyers are failing to push price higher here, guys, which suggests that we break down a little bit here. Okay, that's what it suggests. Everybody getting all excited about your Clarity Act yesterday, and flat bottom. If I flip this upside down, okay, look, there you go, guys, right? For all you bullish people, there's your ascending triangle pattern, okay? You go back to reality, and there it is, okay? Sometimes inverting your charts can really help you visualize, right? It's very important. It helps kind of change the mind, right? Like if I go like this, boop, where are we going, guys? I would say we're coming into something like this. Retest the previous lows, right? Right? Doesn't that help? Put a 1 in the chat if that helps. I would say that helps, right? Does that change your perspective? Especially today, the way the price has crawled up here, right? Right? However, if we do break down here, we would look for this thing to roll back right into these lows here, which is a pump, okay? CM Jedi Mind effing you. You will be profitable today. Just Jedi'd you, all right? You will manage your risk. I wish I could just do that to my whole community. But live and learn. You will not go out on this Friday night and drink and come back and trade and blow your account. I know some people like that. Some people have messaged me. I'm like, I went out last night, I got wasted, then I started trading. How'd that work out for you, man? How'd that work out? Cubanadian, what's going on, man? You can take a week off after that morning long yesterday. Everyone's pre-rich. Best Discord ever. Yeah, that was pretty. That was juicy. God bless you, Cubanadian. Thank you for being here. D. Parker, Bearded Mac, Lucis, Ben Kelly. I don't have any sort of vacations planned for a while. I have a wedding to go to in October. I am moving, so the week I move into my new house that we bought, I'll be busy, so I won't be streaming probably as much. What are your thoughts around the Clarity Act passing? Well, it's in layers, right? It's in layers. It's not passed yet. It just got through that level. So it's got some work to do still, which is fine. I mean, there's $40 trillion that cannot enter the crypto market, right? So even if a little bit of that comes back into the crypto market, cool, right? The issue that I have today, let me see here. The issue that I have is that with clarity and all this cool stuff, right? I mean, there's levels to it. Let me see. There's levels to it. Here's the levels, okay? Here, I think this is what I saw yesterday. So there's levels, right? If we look at this, guys, we are here, right? This is from Altcoin Daily. We just got this one here. Check. This one's here. This one's done, okay? So then they go to the CFTC. Then they get the full Senate vote. Need 60 votes, and I think the floor is like they need 8 to swap, right? So they got like 53 Republicans or something like that. They need 8 of them to flip, which I think they will. Okay. There's a lot of, and then it goes reconciliation, which is pretty easy, and then the final Senate House, and then he signs it. So there is quite a few steps here, guys, before this thing gets, this could be, I would say, like, if everything goes smooth, this would be at the, like, end of summer, guys. So, like, check, we've done one, right? Like, don't get married to news data that's going to pump my altcoin bags that I'm down 90%, right? Okay, just, be realistic with yourself. And, crypto doesn't need no clarity act to pump, man. Crypto don't need it. It needs risk on assets, rotation down the ladder of risky into the shit coins. That's it, right? That's all it needs. If you look, I shouldn't be doing too much macro because I leave the macro for the family. But if you look at Bitcoin dominance, let's just look at Bitcoin dominance. What happens? Every damn time. Let's go on like a 2-week time frame. Oh my God, AlexOCrypto's on a 2-week time frame. He actually does this stuff? Yeah, I do. Okay. If we look at Bitcoin dominance, all right. Bitcoin dominance, all right, typically has to do one thing and one thing only, guys. And what does Bitcoin dominance have to do? It needs to retest, unfortunately. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance, when it breaks out, okay, this is alt season right here, guys, okay? What do we have right now? I would say that we have a drop, okay? Right? Yeah? Okay. I would say that's a drop. We might need to go up first, then go down. This would be bearish. Or Bitcoin just leads the way, right? Bitcoin just leads the way. So understand, like, if I take your little fractal thingy here, we might need to do this, which means pain. Or Bitcoin leads the way, right? So Bitcoin might need to lead the way first. Or Bitcoin might need to dump, which means rotation into Bitcoin. So Bitcoin dominance goes up because all the altcoins sell off and they go into Bitcoin, right? So be prepared. We could get altcoin season, but it could be, October. I would prefer October. But I don't care either way. What we get to do here is we get to make lots of money, buy assets, change our lives, change our families' lives. Up, down, all around. I'm scalping a micro penis time frame. We all know that. So, like, be aware of it. You must, as a trader, you must separate your fundamental and your macro bags from your trading bags. It's like, you can't get married to wanting things to go up because you can make a boat ton of money on the way down, okay? Be objective. Be contrarian. Pay yourself. Stack the cash. Buy the assets. Long-term outlook. Separate the two. And you'll do fine. You'll do fine. It's not rocket science, but it's very important to have that separation. Bearded Mac, what's going on? Sam Crypto, Andrew Cameron, my man Zach, Andy, how you doing, man? PP, I, Chantel, happy Friday, gang, let's go. It's okay, I'm here now, Dusty, you punk ass. What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. How you doing, Shunts? Good morning. Little bit of exhaustion in the highs. Failing to push back right now. Laurent, did you watch the hockey game last night? Yeah, I hate Montreal, man. And I hate Mitch Marner, so I'm pissed off. Hockey's bullshit. Both of those teams can get eliminated next round. Montreal's not through yet, but they did well last night. And Vegas, I hate Mitch Marner. Mitch Marner played for the Toronto Maple Leafs. He scored 1 point in 20 games, and then now all of a sudden he's just the best in the friggin' world, and he's scoring 2 goals a game, and yeah. Watching you for the first time. Hope going to rock. Hope I'm going to rock or you're going to rock. Oh, man, I live under a rock. Army Piper, what's going on? Madara, good morning. Fucking hockey. Fucking Montreal. Mitch Marner's a queef. Sorry. I'm just mad, okay? He's a Toronto boy. He left us holding the bag. I hate him, unfortunately. Like, I don't hate anybody, but as a Leafs fan, you can go suck a big floppy donkey. Beep, okay? That's how I feel. You struck a nerve, Laurent. You struck a nerve. All right, you talked about the Montreal Canadiens won and Mitch Marner won last night. Terrible hockey night for me. Good hockey games, terrible hockey night for me. I want Buffalo to win, man. Ben Kelly, I think they can come back, though. Good morning, man. I missed your stream yesterday. Caught the very end. Well, bro, you missed some spoon feeding, man. We ate. We feasted very well yesterday. It was an incredible... who wouldn't have liked to long from here from the live stream? Or be given the re-entry right on the tippy tip here. Right? It was an incredible live stream. However, we do this every day, so sometimes we do so good, sometimes not so good, right? But what do? We manage our risk. We take the trades. Right now we're chopping. So I want decision. Decision looks like this. We break out. We get above VWAP. We continue up. We break this high. We sweep the lows. We hold. We bounce back in. We go. We look for the higher low. We come down to the golden pocket. We get reversal structure. And then we go. Okay? We come for the liquidity of the highs. The liquidity of the highs. The golden pocket area here. Okay? Targets. So we got lots of options today. Right now we don't want to diddle in the middle. Okay? We want price to tell us which direction it wants to go. So we wait. You guys love that when I say we're waiting here. If we get signals of strength, and we could potentially, like, this is exhaustion. Buyers trying to step up right now. 2 good candles. This could continue upwards into here, into maybe order block tap. We'll see. Downtrending momentum. We don't want to just take willy-nilly longs right here. Right? This tells me that buyers are failing to push price higher. So guess what? Rotation down. Right? So we wait right now. See if the opportunity does present itself. Ben Kelly, good to see you. The one day I was away from the charts. Yeah, that's how it goes, man. Are we ready for a Bloody Friday? I'm ready, man. Woo, woo. Thumbs up, Keen Bean. What's going on, man? Bethany, good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here, Holenberg. Not in my chat, bro. I'll give you one warning about cheering for the Montreal Canadiens in my chat. There's one guy who does it. He's a member. He's allowed to. His name is Massey. And I mute him often. Jojo, what's going on? Ada Ace, good morning, man. Good to see you. Mazix, I love edging with the community. That's it, man. Aaron, good to see you. Bearded Mac, my man. Curtis Hill, Philly Skills, Wagwan. I truly enjoy the community and company. You guys got me talking telling hooker stories yesterday too on the live stream. You guys bringing the best out of me. I have $20 ready for a trade. Can I make it 100? I wouldn't think so. That, that's a. I wouldn't count on it, man. That's 500%. You better go trade like Pepe or something. Josh Power, good to see you. Christian Rogers, McCall, gang, let's go, baby. These are not the trades you were looking for. I can't smoke herb, nothing like that. I'd blow my account for sure, yeah. Absolutely. What's going on? Good morning, Miss Anthropic. Mr. Kemp, good to see you, bro. How you doing? Bruce. Let's go. Paul Hindenburg, the hottest air in all of crypto. Don't believe the hype. Clarity is bad for crypto. Yeah. Clarity is bad. Can you just put a gray box again? So where do you want me to put it? I'll put it up here. There's your gray box. Go get it, Tiger. Go get it. You don't believe how incredible you get at making animal noises when you have a child. You learn how to make. He's pointing at an armadillo yesterday, guys. What fucking noise doesn't he? He's pointing at it and he goes, cat? I'm like, armadillo. And normally you go, cat, meow, right? What the fuck? Can anybody tell me what noise an armadillo makes? Oh, what's going on, V Monitor? God bless you, man. Thank you for always showing up and being in the gang. What's going on, Billy? How you doing, man? Love you too, man. Love you too. I love you, Laurent. Good morning, Merc Cuban BTC. What's with the otter spirit animal? The otter gang is not created by me, man. It's just magical marsupials. There is a description of why the otter gang came to be, and it's so that we're not rude and we don't put splooshy emojis in the chat, but you can just put water, man. Water is the original otter, okay? Water. We'll be the water gang today. There's your otters. Swear jar. It's Friday, baby. We're gonna swear all we want. Today's Friday. Yeah, yesterday was like the day of school you missed, and then it was one of those like you like wedgied the teacher and threw him in a locker and put a fart bomb in with him. Can you put a gray box? Yeah, we put the gray box up top for you. We'll hopefully get a push. What do you think about the strategy about opening a long and a short, canceling out? That's not trading. That's gambling, man. You're trying to beat the house. Open a long and a short. I should do that before the stream. I should open a long and a short and then wait to see which one goes into profit. Then start the stream and be like, look at me, man. I'm killing it, bro. No, I'm not that guy. Losers. Anyways. Hey, what's going on, Jake Jordan? My man, how you doing? Good to see you. God bless you, man. Sam, the 80H trader. HD trader. Oh, man. Squeak? Everybody's trying to figure out woof woof. You think an armadillo goes woof woof? I don't want to confuse my child. There's enough stuff in the world right now trying to confuse children. Tell us another story about Don't get me going. Don't get me going. Jesse joined voice chat. Jesse comes here to swear, guys. Let's be honest. Jesse has to be well behaved. He mods in everybody else's channel. Jesse gets to let his hair down here. Gets to talk a bunch of shit. He is more than welcome to have as much fun as he wants. Give Jesse a break. This is Jesse's safe space here. He can go and be a mod on Frankie Candles and, Billy Goat Tales and moderate. But here, he gets to friggin' lay down the law. He gets to swear. He gets to just, maybe he has a couple of pints, right? People are calling him Good Luck, Jesse Good Luck. Don't insult Jesse. It's Haluk. All right? Get his name right. Respect his authority. All right? Good times. Pushing Nambi. This is bear flagging. Come inside it right here. Right? Break down, retest the previous highs, right? So retest the previous highs. Break down, retest the previous highs, continuation down. Coming for the liquidity at the low. Sorry. That's all this is. I just don't want to diddle in the middle. I ain't about to get hot dogs slapped on a Friday, guys. We're not sausage hunting today, right? If anything, we want to spend a nice day with my wife. I'm going to get rid of that box, and now we prepare. So, where are we looking to go? How are we looking to get there? 300 people on the live stream. I guess I spoon-fed pretty good yesterday, so you guys are pretty happy with me, so you came back or whatever. Cool, man. Thanks for being here. I do lose as well. Just warning you. Yesterday was not a rare occurrence, but it doesn't happen every day where we just bang every trade. But we did well yesterday, so what's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. So what do we have? We have a balloon donkey, okay? If you don't know, now you know. This is your balloon donkey. I was actually in the dollar store yesterday, and I was, I guess I got to show you. I was in the dollar store yesterday. Sounds like a rap song. I was in the dollar store yesterday. Let me see. Guys, in the dollar store in Canada, this was $5. I don't even know why I bought it, but I was in the dollar store yesterday. I'm plugging it in, guys. I bought a balloon dog. A neon balloon dog, guys. I need some merch like this. You know, if I could just tape this to my chest. Otter gang. You know how much money? $5 for this thing? You know how much money? Thousands and thousands of dollars this balloon donkey has made me, okay? It's on the new Drake album. It's called AlexOCrypto Balloon Doggy. I think that's pretty cool. It was calling me, so I bought it. So what do we have? Double bottom flag, right? Double bottom flag. So where are we at? Where are we looking to go? How are we looking to get there? What is the thesis, right? We always got to build a thesis. All right. So Poundland. I love Poundland too, but it's like 5 pence. 5 pounds. All right, so ugly ass balloon dog here, right? So we got double bottom, continuation trade, retest a previous high. So we would go from the swing low to the swing high. We would get our golden pocket retracement zone, retest a previous highs area in here that we are interested in, looking for a potential bounce. However, right now we are holding the impulse fib. If I go from swing low to swing high, this would be an impulse Fibonacci zone 786 area. So we are currently in that area as we speak. Okay, this area here. But the higher term time frame one and the 786 will be there. Okay, so I'm generally looking for this to roll over and bounce. Does it happen? We'll see. We are clearly breaking down right now. We have mitigated the high here. Right, so when we look at the structure on like a 4 hour, we can even go on in a 1 hour time frame, right? We can see what everybody drawing a bear flagging. We're from bear flagging. Okay. That was horribly drawn. Why isn't that higher? Sometimes I don't like regression trend lines, okay? We go here. So we can see the bear flagging. Very, very, very easy to see the bear flagging here. Okay. And we are currently trading in the median of that bear flagging. Okay. I should use the other tool. Where's the square? Yeah. I used to have this thing favored. Where is it? It doesn't really matter, does it? It's not in here. Anyways, gay tools. It's going to bug me until I find it. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Where the hell's the range? Am I blind? I am blind. My God. You probably guys are like, what a loser. This guy doesn't even know where it is. I really don't now. Yeah, I'm a loser. I've lost it. It's right here. It's here. It's in here. It's got to be parallel channel. There it is. I even have it favored. Yes. Oh, that was satisfying. Okay. It is actually right down in here. Regression trend, parallel channel. There it is. I have it in my favorites even. Loser. Anyways, so we're in the median here. We're in the median. Can we continue to push upwards, or are we going to continue, right? So look, break of high, very important. We broke down. We broke this low yesterday. Break of the low, right? So indecision, buy low, sell high, which means we are in an area where we have a range. This is the hot dog of the major range. However, we can look to take advantage of this Y because we are looking to continue upwards here since mitigating this high here. So we are looking for potential bounce and go because of the bullishness of this push. Now, news driven. Yes. So is it trustable? Ooh, we'll see. However, when we look at Market Cipher and we take a gander here, it's very important to gander at Market Cipher. We can see that we have a trigger wave to the downside on the 4 hour, pushing down quite aggressively with descending money flow. Oof. Oh, man. Could this dump us, right? Rotation down. We would be looking for a pump coming into Saturday. Not today. Okay. 3 hour. Trigger wave down. 2 hour. Anchor wave to the downside. Trying to push back. So the hopium resides in this pushing back later on this afternoon. However, if the 1 hour wants to hold here and start to push up, we can be looking for rotation back up. Now, to me, this looks bearish, and we should be aware of that, right? So if this, then that, right? If this, then that. What does that mean? So that means that if we are going to hold here, there's certain ways that I would look for trades, right? So I understand that we are breaking down. We have descending triangle. So I'm looking for liquidity to be taken out of the lows and for a higher high, higher low to come in so that I can jump back on a reversal trade, right? A sweep of the liquidity and a bounce. There is still liquidity of people who think they're going to be rich who are long in here. So this is still a target for price to potentially roll over and come get. We have also created the liquidity up above us of people shorting this thing, trying to send it to zero. We are in the median of the range. We just told you this stuff, right? So we're in the middle of that bear flag in. So can we go this way? Yes. Can we go this way? Yes. How do we participate safely? With price action, with key levels, with structure. Right now it's saying down. We don't fight it. We jump on it, right? So a little bit of patience is going to pay a lot right now. I'm looking for a sweep and a bounce. That's where I'm at. It's got to bounce, though. You know, it can't just like namby-pamby bounce. It's got to bounce. NASDAQ, not on our side. Breaking down as well, coming for liquidity. Where's our liquidity? On this low, right? Keeping it simple. Looking for NASDAQ to come down, sweep the low here, anywhere in here, and bounce, and bounce. Okay? If this, then that. Look, we're coming for it right now. Okay? Patience. Can anybody help me? Yeah, we can help you. The cook. We can help you cook, man. What's going on, Shem? Good to see you. Hit the like for the alpha, always. Appreciate you, Curtis Hill. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 350 people on the live stream. You guys are wild, man. God bless you. Last night, I lost everything, and I'm desperate now. Okay, go take a break and go have a walk. Enjoy your weekend. Don't trade. Reset. Watch some videos about cute horses or something. It's not the time to trade, bro. You can't. There's no trading when you're desperate, man. Just go back, reflect, look at what you did wrong, We've all been there, man. I've blown multiple accounts back in the day. Right? I've gotten very tilted before. Your job is to remove yourself from the problem. The problem is you and the trading and your emotional state. You must get away. Sorry to say that, and I'm sorry that you had a rough day, bro. It's part of the gig, right? A lot of people don't talk about the shame and the guilt of adding to a loser or moving the stop loss or over leveraging. And then taking the loss and then trying to redeem it back and then blowing that account and fucking doing it again, right? Not a lot of people talk about it. It's reality. And I'm sorry for your loss, bro, but your job is to remove yourself. Been there, man. I've been there. Just take it easy. Be kind to yourself. It's not easy. Don't beat yourself up too bad. Negative self-talk will be detrimental to you. Ask God for help. Be patient with yourself. This is a process, and it takes time. It's you versus you. And right now, you need to go and love yourself and take a break. That's your only job right now. It's not easy, man. It's not easy. I have days where I've tilted. I've lost 15,000 in one day. I come back here, and I got to live stream to you guys. You know how much I want to live stream to you guys? Niente. Nothing. I don't want to do it, but I do it. It's not meant to be easy, this stuff. It's not. And it's okay to have bad days. You just don't want to repeat them. It becomes a problem if you repeat it, right? You got a lot of successful traders. You get to a point where you're absolutely disgusted with the behavior of your trading and the way you're trading. You have successful trades, you're just not taking them properly. So until you hit that breaking point of like, I'm going to fucking quit, sorry for swearing, or I'm going to figure this thing out, right? Until you have that moment and you decide to figure it out and be disciplined and be kind to yourself and take high probability setups and be okay with losing, right? A lot of people get to that point, they quit, right? Or they don't. Most people quit. Or most people just continue the way they're doing it and they haven't had enough pain and they just continue to lose money. That gets sickening too, right? Welcome, Michael. Stay safe. Be kind to yourself. Spy has fallen. Yep. We need a search button for the indicators. Do you even chart? Not really, man. We just kind of just draw boxes and things on the chart, you know. Jojo, what's going on? Mob the Great. Fire, cool. Can you ask for custom? I got it from the dollar store, man. I have $5. Fire, Liz Warren. Are you on a Liz Warren rampage there? Were you ranting yesterday? Oh man, she was on one yesterday, man. She was on one for sure. I think she's cute and cuddly, man. She's like, I would want Liz Warren as my grandma. You know? All that insider trading she could help me with. The bank, her and Jamie Dimon should make like a, I'm not going to go there. I'm not going to go there. You almost got me on a Friday. Her and Jamie Dimon. Right? We need Billy to come up with like a bass riff. Right? Sound like this. I'm going to get demonetized today. Look what popped up. This should be the background music to trading. Oh, man. Too far. All we need is like one of those rotating beds. Right? Liz Warren. just sitting on a big bag of money, and Jamie Dimon walks in the room. Too far, guys? It's Friday. Sweep. It's Friday. Let's go, baby. You gotta have a laugh. Her voice is terrible. Love me the Friday streams. Elizabeth Horan. And Jamie Diamond Balls. Jamie, is that you? Can't you see the shine, Mrs. Warren? Can't you see? I'm shining. I'm around the corner, and I'm blinding you. Jamie, what is that? Those are my diamond balls. Really? Just a tap equal lows? 363 people in here. God bless you guys. Sorry for the banter. Can I get a hoya or some likes? That would be cool, man. I'd appreciate that. Okay, so we got our sweep. Is it sufficient enough to send price higher? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. I don't think this is sufficient. And then we need to close back within the range. I would say the range is defined above here. We are not closing back within the range. Still no trade. Waiting here. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. We're doing $2,000 giveaway today, guys. If you do want to participate in that, we have an amazing deal. We got VIP3 Bitunix link with deposit bonuses. Okay, the link's pinned in the comments right here. Then you get entered to the raffle if you deposit and trade. You get entered into the raffle if you deposit and trade. And from there, you get to participate every week, guys. Every week we do the $5,000 giveaway. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Where we gave $1,500 away yesterday. You get the Bitunix link. We do the lucky draw. We go to the lottery. We'll do this at the end of the stream today, guys. Okay. And we're going to do 2,000 today. You get deposit tickets, trading volume tickets. Okay. It's always fun. We have a good time here. Giving away the money. Helping you guys, compound that account. Big difference for a lot of people. And hopefully that helps you guys. We gave up the left nut so that you guys could get all the money with the good deposit bonuses and all that. So sign up with Bitunix, support the channel, and also get free giveaways every week. Constant. So very good deal. Very good exchange. Sign up with that link in the pinned comments. Where am I from? Someone asked. I'm from Toronto. I currently live in Western Canada. You're new here on the stream. Welcome. Where's everybody from? You guys can put your flags in the chat or let me know. I think most of my audience, I think it's like 30% US. There's some Brits in here. I love my Brits, man, because they, we can take the piss out of each other. And I understand your culture. My wife is British, so I traveled to England. I lived in England for 2 years. Scotland, Worcestershire, Cornwall. Let's go. Let's go. Uranus. I mean, that's great. Hungary. Hungary. Ella. Let's go. In the Country of Dracula. He's in Transylvania, Romania. I don't know where he is. Bali. Bulgaria. Love the bulge. Love the bulge, man. From Wales. My wife is Russian. He's from Wales. You're from Wales and you're not a sheep shagger, I hope. Where the men are sheep and the sheep are scared, right? That's what they say about Wales. Sorry, man. Ben, I didn't mean to go there, but I had to go there, right? Ben knows. You know, they used to say, they used to steal, there's history in that. They used to steal the sheep from the UK over into Wales, and the only way you could do it is, you know, Shem is from Wakanda. Let's go. Let's go. Germany. Yeah. Australia. Yeah, 50% capital gains tax. Yeah, I'm in the same boat there. I lived in Sydney for a year, football. So I lived in Australia for a year as well. My Aussies in the chat, God bless you guys. Guys, it's way too late for the Aussies. You guys are night lurkers. Have a great stream, Randy. God bless you. Evertonian. You're an Everton fan. No. The Netherlands. You guys are tall AF, man. My wife's cousin's is Dutch. She's 6'8". She is 6'8", guys. She is 6'8". She's a speed skater. I'm kidding. Okay, no. Crypto Billy, 24 months. You've been putting up with me a lot longer than that, Billy. Santiago. Chopping at the lows here. Pushback. Indecision. First Iranian lurker. God bless Iran. You grew up in Sydney. Nice. I lived in Erskineville. Love from India. Where did I live in England? Where did I live in Sydney? I lived in Sydney, Erskineville, Australia. That's where I started this channel. Waiting for a bounce here. In the UK, I lived in you got ignored twice. I'm good at ignoring people, Gaston. Argentinian, there you go. Living in the UAE. Let's go, Gaston. I mean, I can't catch everybody, man. It's like Pokemon here. Portugal. Hey, caray. What's going on, Martin? Good to see you. Jay Violet, 15 months. God bless you. Manchester United. I actually live in Manchester. He's a Manculian. He speaks like this. Guys, you guys don't even understand a Manculian accent. It's not Scouse, but it's close enough, man. It's like it's not a Pudlian accent either. But it's you guys, Wayne probably sounds like a mouthful of marbles. If he was to stream, you guys wouldn't understand half the words he's fucking saying. But Wayne always gets a good sandwich. NAS breaking down, ES breaking down. So SPY gap down, expectations today. Oil's still below 100, retesting 100 as resistance now, breaking down, retesting as resistance. NASDAQ rotation down as well, bleeding out. So SPY gap down this morning, expectation 1618 extension level for the SPY guys. So obviously, like, my charts look like an Etch-a-Sketch. Okay, they do. Okay, because I'm a scalper. But if we look at macro here, guys, very simply, right? We have hit very critical levels of resistance, swing high to swing low. We are in our retracement zone now, extension zone, right? So you typically look for this, okay? Typically, we'll see. We'll see. We don't trade it based on that, but we have hit that area, right? We need to be aware of the macro as well when we're scalping and where we're at, right? Bitcoin sweeping the lows now. Yee. There's that breakdown. Coming into 9 o'clock here. Not a pretty ass candle coming down here, guys. The hourly here is looking very aggressive. Yeah, very nasty dump here. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Good morning, Wave Cypher, my man. How you doing, bro? Need subtitles for Wayne. Yeah, absolutely. It's nothing like Scouse. Yeah, Scouse is crazy. We don't understand Scousers. I mean, when I would run into a guy from Glasgow when I lived in Edinburgh, in Scotland, a Glaswegian accent. Holy fuck! You might as well just speak Chinese, man. We are not Scousers. I know how to get you guys all against each other. You guys are pitted against each other, and you got better things to do than be pitted against each other. You Northerners are so divided. You guys need to come together, man. You guys need to unite under the flag. Your voice is not clear. Increase volume. Well, sorry, bro. I don't know. I got a focus rate. I spend good money on all of this stuff. You should be fine. Everybody else will tell me the sound has been fine. Everton, Liverpool's oldest and best team. You guys want to know something funny? Is that one of my closest friends in England has bought me an Everton kit. I have an Everton kit in my house. Okay? I have the Everton kit. And we always celebrate when we beat. I do have an Everton football jersey. I'm sorry to say to all of my Brits, they're probably like, you're a wanker. I do have a blue Everton kit. Okay, not gonna lie, I do. What can I say? I didn't buy it. My friend bought it for me. The first time I met my wife's uncle, though, because they're in the West Midlands, right? He looked at me in the eye and he said, "So Alex, you're marrying my niece. You're gonna be an Aston Villa fan, aren't you?" I was like, fuck that. You guys haven't been good since Graylish left you guys, man. I don't watch much soccer, guys. Let's be honest. It's kind of gay. All you guys do is dive on grass all day. I mean, I watch a man's sport called hockey. You guys spend more time acting than you do playing football. All right? Sorry to say. 618 tap. Sorry. The Villa. The toddler kits. I seriously, why would you spend big money on it? I never buy man kits because I can fit into a 12-year-old child large. I can fit into child's extra large, man. Why would I spend an extra $40 on a kit, man? There's no reason. There's things you don't care about when you become my age. All right? There's things you really don't care about. Rugby's a man's game. Yes, I played rugby. I played rugby for 4 years in high school. I was a hooker and a wing. I can't watch football, man. Look, they're so talented, but they're just all drama. Fullback, you're a big boy then. I'd still dodge you, bro. I was quick. How's that Clarity Act? We're pumping, yeah. We're pumping. Never heard you better. Let's go. Northerners get on great. We love to rip each other. Yeah, that's good. I need Wave's microphone. Yeah, Wave Cypher. When you gonna? I sent you a hoodie, Otter Gang hoodie. When are you gonna send me a microphone, bro? I need the gaming headset. I would be on here with the earphones and the microphone thing. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. My God, this thing breaking down this morning, guys. NASDAQ holding, ES holding, Bitcoin into buy level, order block tap, no trade yet. Yeah, exhaustion here. Exhaustion here. I didn't take it. We had to retest our previous lows in a breakdown trade here. Did not take it. It's been pretty slow this Friday. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 400 people on the live stream here. 140 likes, guys. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, I'd really appreciate it. Yesterday, spoon fed everybody. Yesterday, we took the long from here. We took the long from here. We took the long up here. Absolutely crushed it yesterday. Good job yesterday, everybody. Feasted yesterday. Today, we're rolling over, coming back for all this liquidity from the Clarity Act bullishness. Okay, now we're coming back into reality. Okay, so a little bit of patience here. Obviously, we are in a downtrend coming against price action right now, breaking down into our golden pocket area here potentially for a bounce, but we need structure. Otherwise, we are looking for a retest of previous lows, continuation down. Okay, price action has been weak. Okay, no buyers stepping up here. Our market cipher trigger waves to the downside on like the 4-hour and the 3-hour are playing out quite nicely. Okay, coming down. Looking for a little bit of hopium coming into the afternoon. So looking for like a sweep and a bounce here, but you know, Bitcoin absolutely getting decimated, 2.5% this morning. Everything's bleeding out, down about 4-5%. You know, altcoins getting their asses whooped. We can also see the NASDAQ has been trickling down as well. Okay, so looking for some structure to be formed in here and a bounce potentially up. However, shorts are winning right now, guys. So patience right now. No trades this morning. Just waiting for the trade. We have a couple of ideas. We were looking for the sweep and go. We did not get that. This is just rolled over. Good patience. Looking for the bounce within this area here that we are coming into. Retest to previous highs. We'll see how we behave in this area right now. Downtrending momentum needs to be broken in order for us to get bullish. If we fail to pop off here, we look for a lower high and continuation down as well. Okay. We're very overextended to the downside right now, so a little bit of patience might prevail. Coming into our 618. But I need to see some sort of reaction in here. Otherwise, we're waiting. No news today. Obviously, Trump is in China. All that crazy stuff's going on. So prepare for tweets. Prepare for announcements. Just patience right now, everybody. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate it. We're live here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., 10:15. Taking the trades, showing the trades every single day. Up 7,300 this week, showing the accounts, showing the exchanges, letting you guys know when I enter, when I exit, all that stuff. Made 2,100 yesterday. Just continuing to show you guys what I do. And hopefully you guys can do the same. Slow and steady, man. Slow and steady. Patience and more patience and more patience and more risk management. That's all we really do here. But when it's there, we try our best to execute as best as possible. Okay. I've been compounding accounts this whole year, showing you guys the deposits into the bank accounts, showing you all the trades, showing you everything. Just trying to give you guys some hope that, you know, you can do it too. I mean, I was a carpenter for 15 years. And there's a way out. I'll put it that way. And back pain's highly motivational, so hopefully we can help you on that. And if you're wondering why my potty mouth and all the shit talking we do, is because we click buttons and we talk shit, man. We try to be honest with everything we do and show you guys everything, and hopefully that helps you guys realize, you know, there's ways to do it and there's ways not to do it. Any schlongs? No schlongs right now. I'm always in a button on a fur coat, never in a schlong, man. Sold my short there. Yeah. I thought touching grass was good. That's important to touch grass, man. What's going on, Brillo? Good to see you, man. Harp, good morning, man. Good to see you. How you doing? Mr. Market, you rock, bro. Thanks for helping teach us on our trading journey. I mean, everybody has a different journey. Thanks for being here, Mr. Market. I do appreciate your support, man. Hanging out all the time. DeWalt's the tractor of power tools. I mean, Makita's more like a, a Lexus or something. A Makita. As long as you're not a Milwaukee pack-out queef, we can be friends. If you show up to my job site and you got the pack-out Milwaukee Festool, you think you're cool, you're really just gay. Sorry. Right? Sorry. Right? Sorry. I mean, you show up like this guy, you're ready to do dry. You're like, bro, look what I found on the internet, man. Are you guys ready to do the drywall today? I'll do the 12-foot sheets. I'll do the 12-foot 5/8. I am okay to do the 12-foot 5/8 sheets today, guys. All right? Don't worry, guys. I got the perfect tool for this. Right? Fucking. Oh, shit. Here we go. The Milwaukee kids are coming out. They're coming out, man. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Right? It looks like me, yeah. I'm sure it does. Makita makes a great tool, man. It's funny, like being a tradesman in multiple countries. Like Makita's very popular in the UK. I'm a DeWalt house as well. DeWalt's a tractor. I have had this drill. I've had the 20-volt drill hammer as well since I was 18, guys. Okay? That is 18 years. I've had this thing for 18 years, guys. I've thrown this off of roofs. I've smashed it. It's got paint on it. I've had this thing forever, man, and it's fucking flawless still. It's a beautiful tractor, man. Okay? Talk to me. All right? You won't convince me otherwise. 18 years, one impact drill. Never had to buy another impact drill. Right? I've thrown that in lakes and shit, and it still works. I dropped it off a bridge once. I remember that. Good times. Just pull the trigger and let it drain, and it's good to go. Nice reaction here. Can we engulf this candle here? Considering a long here. You buy one today and it'll break next week. Is that back when they made them well still? Yeah. Anyone from India here? A couple of us. I'm from India, Canindia. That's where I live. I live in Canindia. How many batteries have you gone through? Still original battery. Still original battery. I got my 2 original batteries. Still working fine. Still original batteries. I have other batteries, but what about Hilti? Hilti's a great tool, man. Best hammer drills and best cordless hammer drills in the industry. Cordless hammer drill, Hilti, all day, baby. You should get the new impact. Those ones have so much more power. I just put one of those 60 volts on the bottom of that thing, and it's torquing for days, man. It's a wrist breaker. Hilti is expensive, yeah. They make some really good products, though. Like they have, you ever used the Hilti automatic caulking gun for like big jobs, those things are awesome. The hammer drills are great though, man. The cordless hammers are so good. Okay, no engulfing here. Still a minute left on this candle. It's kind of ugly. So, patience still in here. Watching from Toronto, Delhi, India. Yeah, Toronto is India. Absolutely. Toronto, it has become India. It is not Toronto anymore. I agree with that statement. And I'm a Toronto born and raised. No one has better enunciation than a man at Home Depot looking for cock. Absolutely. I'm from Ontario, but you know, I moved out west, in far, far away in a land. I mean, people are weird. They're like, "You want to hang out?" I'm like, "No, not really. I'm good. I got a family and shit to do." Nothing like looking for some cock. Alex's flex. Okay, guys, if you're looking for cock, this was me in November looking for cock. I went from filling joints to filling bank accounts. It's my best month ever. Okay. I had a really good month. Let's put it that way. Last November. But that's my cock. You talk about your cock? Go ahead. That's my flex. All right. Do you want to hang out, Alex? No, not really. Right? I'm from New Brunswick. Let's go. This dump looks juicy. Yeah, consolidation, continuation down right now. No sense of strength in here. Drywaller and framer for 15 years. Nice, man. Nice. When drywallers say their framers are typically doing industrial steel studs, right? I hate hanging drywall on steel studs. I mean, it's nice that you can bang it over pretty easy, but still annoying. What's the best thing about steel stud framing though is when you're steel stud framing and you have like your height from low to high, right? You have your height. And let's say there's like a half-inch variance, like the height here from the height here, so from here to here or from here to here, there's a half-inch variance and you need 10 studs, right? You can take, and let's say it's like a 92.5-inch wall, right? So you can take your half-inch, so let's say the highest is 93, right? You can take all your studs and cut them at 92.5, okay? So you can put 10 of them together and cut them all at 92.5. And then there's a half-inch play on the bottom tracks. So on the tracks, you can cut them all at 92.5. And then the track that they sit in, right? So here's your track, and then your stud comes up into it. You still have like 3/4 inch of play in here. So you can have it floating in here, and you can still screw it, which is really nice. So you can cut them all at once. You don't have to cut them individually like you would, which is pretty sweet. Little tricks you learn, right, along the way. My wife said she's going to Lowe's to get some cock and never came back. Oh, man. What is this break of support? Well, I wouldn't say this is support. We're just downtrending. This was an ascending triangle to the downside, right? So we talked a lot about this at the beginning of the stream where we are, we're breaking down right now. If we inverted our charts, right? What are we looking for? This really clarifies. When you have ascending triangles, this really clarifies it for people. Put it in a bullish scenario, right? So we're looking for a breakout, retest, continuation trade up into the order block and liquidity at the highs. Now, if we flip that on its head back to what we're really trading here, so we're looking for this, okay, until proven otherwise, guys. This is simple, right? But that, I think a lot of the time people don't know. I love shorting, so I don't really care. but you must sometimes inverting your charts will help you psychologically, because a lot of people have a bullish bias, I've found, right? So if you're used to only longing and not shorting, first of all, learn how to short, because you get paid a lot better. Look how fast you get paid on shorting. In general, okay? So you take the stairs up and the elevator down, right? So understand that. But right now, right, we're looking for this thing to continue down until we find support, right? Don't fade the trend. Jump on trend. Participation safely, right? So right now, looking for a little bit of a bottoming structure. We have hit a key level here, potential bounce, but we should be looking for this, right? We should be looking for, sucks to be you. Okay, so patience in here. I am out of damn coffee, guys. We got a whole bunch of y'all in here. 437 people in the chat. What's going on, guys? 163 likes. Can you get that to 200 by the time I'm back? I'd really appreciate that. Let's play the dump song. I'll be right back. Gonna go get some coffee.
Chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. You in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watching for, send it to zero. Send it to zero. Chat if you are sure. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the boost, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to zero. Send it to zero. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. In the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Hey. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Hey. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to zero. Gang, we want slap rotation now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Chat if you are sure. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the boost, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if
Coffee long. The coffee long's like a 0 hit rate this week. 0 hit rate. 0 hit rate. Garbage. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. 3 in the chat, or skis in the chat if you are on your hands, if you're just skiing, you know. Rotation down. Solana looks better for a short order block retest, continuation down here. Solana's taking the liquidity out of the low, though, so I'm not inclined to try and long Solana or short Solana. Nasty dump this morning, everybody. Thank you for being here and hanging out. So much for clarity. The only thing clear is that we're going down. Breaking down this morning, losing the low. Continuation, okay? Lower highs, lower lows. Looking for a lower high to potentially short. However, we have hit our swing low to swing high golden pocket area right now. So, do we bounce from here, or do we continue to roll over? Right now, Bitcoin looks absolutely grim, mate, and it is rolling over. A little bit of patience right now. No trades this morning. Very choppy at the toppy to start the stream. We had the retest of previous lows, continuation down. No real strength in the move here, so we can see Bitcoin rolling over, down, 0.5% this morning. Slow and steady to the downside. Looking for a reversal structure. Not really inclined to look for longs just yet. Solana order block tap. Continuation down. So very bearish right now. NASDAQ pushing back, guys. So NASDAQ some hopium here for us. If we can see the NASDAQ start to break out and continue upwards, that would be a good sign coming into market open, which we do have in literally 30 seconds. So thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel, looking for the gap down on the SPY, and hopefully we can take advantage of it today. Thank you so much for being here and supporting the channel, smashing those like buttons. 187 likes, 450 people here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Market is about to open. We're doing a $2,000 giveaway today. Bitunix, link in the comments pinned. Sign up with that deposit. Get entered into the draw. We do the draw. $5,000 worth of giveaways every single week. Sign up with the Bitunix link. Trade alongside us. Get lots of free money. Market is open. Ladies and gentlemen, where is the gap? Oh my God. Lord have mercy. Look at the gap down here on the SPY. Sheesh. We are gapping quite low here, guys. Big gap down for the SPY. Rotation down. Bitcoin dumping. Whew. Whew. Coming down. Sweeping the low. 618. Solana order block retest. Breakdown. Rotation down. Looking for a bounce back here. Coming into market open. NASDAQ pushing up to our momentum downtrending line. Bitcoin. Absolutely grim, mate. Dying. It's absolutely dying. All right. Looking bad here on the SPY as well. Push back on NASDAQ. Retest. Continuation up. A little bit of a mitigation here on the short-term time frames of this high. Pullbacks are for potentially buying, but Bitcoin is dying, guys. Rotation down here. No reason to buy this thing. It is going to zero. Niente. Bye-bye. Down we go. Solana coming down to a key level of support, blasting right through it. Congratulations on your shorts, guys. This is looking ugly. Next level. All the way down here, we can look for the liquidity sweep actually right here. We'll see if we get that, but this is nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Solana trying to hold key support here. We'll see if it does. NASDAQ coming down aggressively. Sell off, sell off, sell off. Okay, NASDAQ trying to bounce off the lows here. Bitcoin trying to hold sweep of the lows potential, but breaking down quite aggressively this morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Thank you for being here on the live stream, hanging out with me. Looking for a bounce on Solana here. If we can get it, I might consider a long back up, but we'll see. I just want to see some strength come in, but I do not see that as of yet. We can see the NASDAQ is bouncing, but we do not see representation of a bounce here on Bitcoin as of yet. We'll see. We might have to come and sweep this low first. Okay, but it is losing quite a bit of steam here. Looking at Bitcoin gapping down, coming into a key, or S&P coming down to a key support, trying to hold here. Bitcoin continues to roll down. Okay. Giving back all the gains from yesterday. My God, Solana. Ugh. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Red Sea today, guys. Everything down about 3, 5, 6, 7% across the board. Not looking too hot. In my opinion, there wasn't really an opportunity to jump in short here. I said we could consider a short here, breakdown, retest of highs. I didn't expect a dump like this, but wow. Coming back and grabbing all those longs and absolutely decimating people's portfolios. Clarity. Yeah, right. Clarity. Bye-bye. Coming down to the lower part of the range. We'll see. Right back into it. Losing all its strength here. Rotation down. Are you going to long when I say rotation down? Maybe it's a good idea. That's up to you. This is never financial advice. We're just here taking the trades, showing the trades, helping you guys navigate the charts, hopefully on a daily basis. I need 6 more likes, guys. I believe in you. You guys can do it. 6 more likes. NASDAQ. Down we go. SPY, down we go. Big dump here. Big dump coming in here. Oil's retested the lows and has dumped as well. So that's they're both going down, which is weird. They're normally trading in opposites, but we can see that as well. Solana, bye-bye. See you later. We should have shorted that order block, man. What a setup that would have been. However, we weren't greenlit to trade, so we'll see. Bitcoin continuing to roll over here. Solana rolling over here. SPY trying to not die. NASDAQ and ES holding, but not looking good here. Bitcoin coming down quite aggressively. Yeah. What an open, guys. Thank you for being here. 200 likes. Thank you. 460 people here bringing in the dump. Bitcoin rolling over. Yee. Down we go. Where we stop, only Dave Digital knows. Thank you guys for being here. Saying good morning. Hanging out this morning. We'll see. Lord Otter does look juicy. Yeah, it does. Yeah, but, you know, what's going on? FJ, good to see you. Terry Crow. Andre, good to see you. Alex, I would advise do not answer any questions until you've hit 200 likes. Yeah, I'll take it. Are you bearish long term? I love you long time, though. Okay. At least it's clear, though, just down. Yeah, it is very much just down. Solana pullback. Retest of lows. Trying to bounce here. SPY. Trying to hold on here, SPY. Can you do it? ES. Flying. ES is flying here, guys. NASDAQ's trying to push back as well. Bitcoin. Niente. Nothing. Not doing anything. Okay. Looks like lower. NASDAQ bouncing. ES pumping. SPY down. Ooh-wee. Ugly. Looking for a sweep and go at this level here for Bitcoin. No trade right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades on a daily basis here. No trades right now. Not really looking to give it up. Congratulations as well for all those people who got short today. I mean, the opportunity, the setup wasn't there for me. But obviously descending triangle breakdown today. Great short, everybody. Good job, GG's. I love seeing you guys win, man. Keep it up. GG's for all the shorts in the chat. All the short kings. Whatever you're doing. Keep doing it, man. Trading's hard, so we shall see. We shall see. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. We'd love to say congratulations to you. Right now, no trade for me. Just waiting. Yes, nice pushback. NASDAQ. Yeah, Solana sweep of the low. This would be a very bullish reclaim if we can make a higher high, higher low in here for Solana. If we could just, do one of these, that would be bullish, because then we would have this. But we're not there yet. We're not there yet. Trying to hold on here, Solana. Hold on, baby. You can do it. The market is red. Bitcoin coming for that low. Continuation down. Trend is down. Bears in control. No reason to trade this yet. We'll see what we get. Solana lower. Jeez, she's nasty today. There she goes. Down she goes. Coming for the lows. Down she goes. Bitcoin sweeping that low. A lot of the time, the best trade is no trade here. There goes Solana. Bye-bye. Ciao for now. NASDAQ. Big dump. SPY. Big dump. Sell-off. Massive sell-off this morning. 1.5%. That's trillions and trillions of dollars. My goodness gracious. S&P dying this morning. Did we get bearish news or something? Oh, I know. The pedophile. I won't say it. Someone released an album yesterday. That's why. That's why, right? Is that too far? I'm going to get canceled one of these days, man. I'm going to get canceled. There's a new album out. Damn. This thing did not take the blue pill, man. It definitely is way too drunk. Way too drunk to perform. Oh, man. Should have shorted the retracement. I even called it. Treasury bond yields, they are pumping. Sweet. GG's Black. Cash King. Overtaker. Michael Mike. Laurent. Coming into the liquidity of these lows. Oh, man. We just keep going. We just keep it going, man. Massive sell-off this morning here. NASDAQ trying to hold the lows as well. SPY just rolling over nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Bitcoin coming down here. Down we go. Solana losing key support. Lower. Wild. Well, if we lose 89, 84, we look to rotate down to 86. That's a big-ass move, man. If we fail to hold. Okay. Bids coming in. Longs coming in. Longs coming in. No trade here. My God. What a dump. We're going to do some people going to need a giveaway today. Friday, man. Friday dump. Friday dump, baby. Pump it, Solana. Solana's pushing back. Order block retest, continuation down. Ooh-wee. Order block retest, continuation down for Solana. Potential short setup for Solana. Not taking it yet. Bitcoin sweeping the lows here. Nasdaq trying to push back, but SPY. Down we go. Down we go. Humble pie across the board here. Bitcoin coming into a buy level sweep and dump. That is nasty. 3% off the highs, guys. Coming for all this liquidity here, guys. Are we going to come pink box it today, guys? Finally, I would welcome pink boxing it. Pink box it. We always like a pink box in the gang. No retest of order block here. I mean, Bitcoin's red as hell. Mini block there. Nasdaq weak. SPY weak. Bitcoin weak. Bitcoin taking the lows over here. Next level. On to the next one. Looking here now. Crazy, man. What a dump. Great dump. Another order block here created. Pushback, continuation down. Biddy. Trying to hold here. Lord Otter is splooging. Yeah, the indicator. Well, we're against trend, right? The thing is we're against trend. We're not looking to take these trades yet. We're against trend, so we're not looking to splooge the sploogey Lord Otter indicator. I mean, look at that short setup there. That's the one you wanted to take. We missed that one. That was the one, the order block retest right at the beginning of market open. That was the short we wanted to take. We missed that. But we were just coming back from our coffee. So got to be on the chart. You got to be on the charts to be able to see it, right? Trying to bounce off of this level here. Bitcoin rolling over quite aggressively this morning. Wrecking a lot of people down 1.5% from the start of our stream here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 517 people on the live stream, taking the trades, showing the trades on a daily basis. We gave the longs yesterday from here, in the Discord here. Today, we have said prepare for the rollover. For me, there was no entry criteria for me on Bitcoin. We were looking for this thing to break down and go. It has done so. More aggressive, obviously, than we thought, but, no trades today. Still waiting. It's Friday. You don't want to give back your weekend gains here. Want to be as patient as possible. We'll see what happens here. NASDAQ breaking down. SPY breaking down. Big gap down here. Trillions lost in the stock market today, down 1.5%. Whatever happens here is fine. We're just looking for market structure to kind of materialize and potentially give us an opportunity. Otherwise, we're looking to come down to 78,200. We'll see if we get there. Right now, every support is just being blasted through. There's no reason to be taking longs right now. But FOMOing in and bottom blasting is also something that I wouldn't advise against. You do whatever you want. I'm not your dad. This is never financial advice. We're just a hobbit here taking trades, showing the trades on a daily basis. We're up $7,300 this week. Doing really well recently. Compounding accounts, showing the trades, taking the trades on a daily basis. So hopefully you're all having a good time. Happy Friday, everybody. Don't give back your gains from yesterday. Don't give back what you've worked so hard for. A big thing that I've learned throughout the years is keeping the money is the sacred work of good traders, is that you learn how to keep your money, right? And then eventually the money continues to work for you. But if you don't respect it and you don't keep it, you don't have anything to play with, right? So give yourself a chance every day. Keep your money, and then hopefully you can continue to execute. We're going to do a giveaway today, too, in about 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes we'll do a giveaway, $2,000 on a Friday. So hopefully that helps top up your account as well, for all the people in the chat. I do appreciate you guys being here and hanging out, taking trades on a daily basis. There's a big breakdown on the NASDAQ coming in right now. Bitcoin retesting for retest continuation down here on Solana. Solana needs to come. Yeah, oof. Solana's coming back down here. My girl. Nasty. NASDAQ breaking down. SPY breaking down. Solana pullbacks are for shorting. Come on, baby. Considering a short order block tap. Looking for the order block tap here on Solana. I am short. Dump it. See if we rotate down here. Oh, NASDAQ big bounce. Bitcoin. Might need to get out of this. NASDAQ big bounce. Yeah, I might need to close some of this out here. Stop loss to entry. There we go. Let's go stop loss to entry there and let it run. If it wants to run, cool. NASDAQ big bounce. So always a cause for concern when NASDAQ gets a big bounce. As we can see here, NASDAQ getting that big bounce. We are short on Solana right now, looking for rotation down. GG's in the chat, everybody. Just trying to run with this lazy river trade, up $178. Let's see if we rotate down. It might need to pop up. Order block retest continuation down trade. Looking to get down to the lower support level down here. Thank you, everybody, for being in the live, hanging out. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Looking for a breakdown here on Solana. GG's, everybody. GG's. We'll see if we get it. We'll see if we get it. NASDAQ concerning a bit. NASDAQ is, yeah, okay. Hey, man, that's why we paid ourselves, right? That's why we paid ourselves. Not bad with the execution. On to the next one. On to the next one. Order block retest continuation down. Overextended to the downside. It's all good, man. It's all good. Take the money and run. It's a Friday. We don't want to give it back, right? Watch it die now. Watch it die now. AlexOCrypto gonna get... I mean... Let's see if it plays out, man. I'm going to be a little bit cheesed. A little bit. Just a little bit cheesed. But it's Friday, man. I can't... You know, there's going to be more trades today. I guarantee you. We're going into the Discord after this. And let's see if it plays. I'm looking for it to come here, right? That was the play. We'll see. I like it. Obviously, I like it. Look, it's going, man. Damn, Daniel. Oh, man. There you go. Merry Christmas, everybody. Congratulations. I got stopped out. Damn. Jamon Lee. Let's rip it to the downside, man. AlexOCrypto got stopped out. That's okay, man. You guys are winning, right? You guys all caught that short. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Fuck yeah, man. GG's, guys. I love seeing you guys win, man. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. Good job. Let's go, baby. 2's in the chat. Shout out to the gang. Otters in the chat. You guys be crushing it, man. Good job. Little sweep zone in here. Coming for that low, guys. Major low sweeping right now. All right. Major low of that range. Sweeping as we speak. Okay. Major low. We need confirmation for longs here. We have taken this liquidity. Bitcoin, flaccid, baby. Flaccid acid. All right. Make sure you are paying yourselves on these trades, right? They will snap it back against you quite hard, right? They'll and then they'll continue, right? So always prepare for those slap and goes. Beautiful trade. Good execution. A little bit, well, the NASDAQ bounced. It's always a concern for me where the NASDAQ finds strength after sweeping a key level, going back into the range. This is bullish in my opinion. The SPY is rallying back up right now. This is bullish. Bitcoin has taken the low right now. This is bullish, right? So higher highs, higher lows, guys. Be prepared. This is a potential sweep and go. Sweep and go, Solana. Did Solana take any key levels down over here? Not really. But Bitcoin is still daddy, so we don't need to necessarily have Solana do it. Bitcoin has done it. Thank you guys for being on the live. This is good times, man. It's a good time to be in trading. There's lots of money to be made. Look at the moves we're getting, right? Yesterday, big old pump. We caught that move, 3%. Today, caught a little piece of the 3% move down. Beautiful trade, okay? Like I said, with the SPY, whenever there's a gap above us here and we have been bullish for a long time and we gap down, there's an opportunity for them to grab liquidity and then to send price higher. That's always the market maker will take the opportunity when it presents itself to grab all the late longs, right? And it has gone back and taken out all the liquidity here. Job has been done, okay? Doesn't mean we're not looking for a potential lower high in here, but job has been done. Okay, so we'll see where we get to now. We'll see where we get to, guys. Or do we continue to break down? I mean, the NASDAQ's popping. The SPY is popping. Bitcoin ain't popping, guys. Bitcoin's just flat. Oh, man. Down we go. Down we go. Coming back for late shorts. Potential pushback. Halfway down the candle, continuation up. Is there any sign of strength here? There's signs of strength in the SPY and the NASDAQ. Could we get a bounce here? Looking for a bounce on Biddy. 1 minute time frame. Wick test continuation up. Very aggressive candle here. Nasdaq strength, SPY strength. Oil still flat. No trade here, still waiting. I mean, whenever I drop into the 1 minute time frame, I'm very aware that I'm splitting hairs, right? So I'm trying to justify if there is a bounce here. And then obviously I go back into my 3 minute time frame where there's no reason to buy it, right? There's no reason. The thing is there is a bit of a tell here on the NASDAQ and the SPY. They could be coming back for all these shorts, so first and then continuing to send it down. So I don't need to be hasty with a long here, guys. That's the one thing. Whenever you get bottoming structure, right, and you come in, do you care if you get long here or if you get long here? Not really, right? You care about making the money on the way up with confidence, right? We don't care about catching the, being the wick whisperer. Look at where my entry is. How many people come on this stream? Okay, people who are here regularly. I got in at 85.2, right? Or I got in at 69,420, the very low. I'm like, fucking, how much money did you make, man? Because how many times did you try to enter that trade and get stopped out? Right? You want to be a wick whisperer. I mean, that's up to you, man. But I think catching knives, there's a way to catch them with rules. We have rules built around that. I show you guys how to do that in the Discord, but I really don't give two shits. If you get long here, if you get long here, if you get long here, as long as you get confident and you're getting paid on the way up, right? I think this entry or this entry or this entry is much better than this entry. This is gambling. Most of the time. Most of the time. Doesn't mean we don't catch the lows. I mean, Solana yesterday, guys, I gave the long from here on Solana, okay? I gave the long in the Discord from here in Solana. It was a swing trade, and it was at 12 o'clock at night, okay? And a big stop loss, okay? You can ask the Discord. I gave this long right here, but it's not common. Let's put it that way, right? Every now and then it's pretty sexy, but it's not common. Downtrending momentum here on Solana, continuing to break down, guys. Not looking too hot. Okay. NASDAQ coming right back down. SPY coming right back down. Bitcoin. No structure here at the lows. Heck, let's do the giveaway, guys. Let's do the giveaway. Everybody want to do the giveaway now? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. $2,000 today. $2,000 today. This is every week we do this, guys. We got to play some, I don't know. We got to cheer some people up right now. We'll play the top blast. You guys love the top blast. AlexOCrypto.com, Ben. AlexOCrypto.com. Taking the trades. Showing the trades. Otter gang. You guys all enter? You guys ready? You guys ready to do the draw? $2,000 today. Get your tickets. Get into the lottery. Let's do it, baby. $5,000 a week. Winner winners, chicken dinners. Here we go, baby. I'll give you guys 10 seconds to get in and get ready to go. Get your tickets. Lots of fun. You gotta sign up with Bitunix. Deposit and trade. You get tickets, and we do the giveaways. All you have to do is trade under Bitunix with the family. Support the channel. You get the tickets here for deposit bonuses. You see deposit bonuses. You get your tickets, raffle tickets here. Trading volume tickets, you get it here. Right? You get your tickets. You go to the lottery. The lottery, you're in it. Okay, to win it. $5,000 a week. Here we go, baby. X 1 L $1,000 coming at ya. Okay, we got men. Is that you? Is that Ziz? Is that you? I think you won again. I think you won again, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Congratulations on your $500. Now the big one, guys. The big dirty. This is supposed to be $2,000. I got to talk to them. I'm going to screenshot this. So we got one more giveaway. I got to screenshot this and tell them. Because it's still not doing 3,000 or 2,000. What is going on with this? Still not $2,000. Why? All right, I messaged him. Here we go. 8 5 R like a pirate. SC V3 F Isaac $1,000 trading bonuses. God bless you guys. Big money, guys. Congratulations. $5,000 a week. We do this every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Congratulations. GG's to everybody. GG's. Gang, 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 baby. We're waiting for structure. Absolutely. This ain't bouncing yet. It's trying to hold the low. This still expectational order flow is down. NASDAQ breaking down. SPY breaking down. Congratulations on your winnings, guys. GG's for all those. You need to click the 1,000 USDT to choose the 1,000 draw. So I need to click it. What? I need to click it. Am I doing this? I'm probably doing it wrong. It's probably an AlexOCrypto. Click it. Oh, look at that. We got one more, guys. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Are you guys ready for the 1,000? Oh. Draw it now, baby. $1,000. New R Neuralink. Imagine it spelt a bad word on the live stream. Let's go. MIW with the $1,000 giveaway. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations, bro. What? You thought you didn't win anything. Look at you now. Look at you now. Let's put some otters in the chat, man. I sold my left nut for you guys to have these giveaways and stuff. So you guys are all pre-rich. Congratulations. And thank God I got my my rep on call to help you guys today. My God. We're going straight into the disc, or we're going to continue trading. Going to continue trading as this thing. Break it down now. Short. That's the non-financial advice right now. This thing looks nasty. NASDAQ nasty. SPY nasty. Bitcoin nasty. Okay. Looking for a bounce at 78,150. Okay. We'll see if we get there. An incredible trading week, guys. Like, absolutely crushing it. Good job, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Have a wonderful rest of your day, Discord. Let's go and crush it again. God bless you guys. Take care. Much love. Touch some grass. Touch some ass. Whatever you're into. Bye.
On the comer, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building.